Good evening, Warriors. Today is Valentine's Day, Thursday, the 14th of February, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. First and foremost, please remember that tomorrow, Blizzard Bag number 2 is due across the board. Hopefully you did not procrastinate on this, as you have had since February 1st to work on this and to complete it. We do have quite a little bit of homework this evening, so if you procrastinate on Blizzard Bag number 2, it's going to make for a very long evening, especially if you have to come in for parent-teacher conferences this evening, which are from 4 to 7:30. In math, the regular math class has practice 10.3. It is a worksheet. Honors Math has 11.1. You also need to go through and check Google Classroom. In science, we've got a comic strip. In social studies, we've got the IVC crossword that was started in class today in one of our stations. That is due tomorrow. Make sure you're using your notes over India. In language arts, the Watsons go to Birmingham. You have journal number 10 that is due. And in lit, as always, you need to make sure that you are reading AR. That is it for this evening. Everyone have a great night.